started this business, probably you wouldn't have and you wouldn't had this kind of a confidence. Then you would have had a lot of doubts as well, will this really work? So I wanted to really understand, as soon as you started this business, what are your challenges and when exactly you had that breakthrough moment?
Okay. When you start something with the zero experience and knowledge, I know from the beginning, like I don't have experience. I never ever been into a business, and no experience, no guidance, nothing at all. But this is something new. I was ready for this because I was ready to learn. And this business is really for those mother who really want to learn. They're open to learn and experiment. So in the beginning, it was too much information. You feel overwhelmed. You want to rush around. You will think you are left behind because you're not giving enough time, and things like that happen. Yeah, when you see others are growing and you are not on that stage, this is quite common. It's human nature. We try to compare ourselves with the others. I will just suggest the people who ever join the business, who start the business with me, I'm their direct mentor. I will say to them, take the things easily. Yeah, move forward step by step. Don't need to be overwhelmed yourself. You will be at that stage one day when people compare with you and they will think they're left behind, because you're starting with zero knowledge and experience. You don't know about social media. For knowing me, I had a Facebook account, but it wasn't active account at all. I never scrolled on Facebook. I used to watch few videos like cooking shows on YouTube, but never been using the Facebook. So this is a new journey for me. In the beginning, I was scared to coming on social media, presenting myself. I was thinking how I'm gonna look, because after when you become, before you being a mother, your body and everything is different. When you become a mother, your body change. There was so many change happen in me. I gained so much weight. That's quite embarrassing for me, but unfortunately this is the part of our life. We can't deny this. Then there was a fear of facing social media, what people will think and all that. But I realized one thing: the people not gonna bring food on my plate when I really need it. People don't gonna work for me and provide for my family when they need financial stability. So I have to take my step, and I know the system works, because I seen all those testimonials of the people who've been into the business from past 8 years. Now it's 9 years in the business. And if the business is working in the market from past 9 years, that means there is something which is legit, and which is helping and empowering others. Otherwise, if there's something scam or something like that, it will be closed down next day. Yeah.
Definitely.
So if it's competing the competitors, that means there is some stamina in that. So only doubt was that if I can do it. So I just prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I said, if this is my best for me, help me, support me to move forward. If it's not, then please take it away from my eyes and everywhere, in my back of mind. And since then, I never turned back. I'm
Okay.
learning, I'm growing, I'm helping, empowering, motivating others. There are so many people around us. Even I have my downline, and we share energies. If you feel, that's quite normal. If you, some days are like that, you feel like you are on the wrong situation, you're on the wrong place. But when you have a motivated community around you, your energy will be back, and you're back on your track, and you will be working with more energy and more power. So my message is that nothing is easy in this life. Even though you're working, your personal profession you chosen, that's not easy for you as well, because there are so many tasks you have to do against your wills and desires. There are so many decisions you need to make against your wills and desires, whereas this business given you the full freedom to choose and pick what you really want to do. So do try it. There's no harm to try.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you, Hina. And I think on those lines, when I browsed about this business, and the most important thing I liked about the testimonials, no, everybody was truly grateful for the gift that they have received. They are all from different kinds of backgrounds. They were dull before that. Their finances were they're taking a toll on them, and they really wanted to find a way out. And that's when they have found this business, and they have that courage and the determination to proceed in this way, and they have now succeeded. That gratefulness feeling I could see everywhere with most of the mothers, I would say. And that really attracted me towards this business. And thinking that, okay, if so many common people are grateful for one thing, then there should be something in it, right?